In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite a student to log into a course on Odoo. We'll be working directly inside the Odoo platform, and the process is very straightforward once you know where to go. If you want to give a student access to a specific course, Odoo provides a built-in invite option that lets you either copy the course link or send the invitation by email. To begin, go to the home page in Odoo. This is your main dashboard, where you can access all of the available apps and tools connected to your account. From there, click on eLearning. This will open the area where your online courses are managed. Once you're inside the eLearning section, click on the course you want to invite the student to. Make sure you choose the correct course before moving forward, since the invitation you send will be tied to that specific course. After opening the course, click on Invite. This opens the invitation panel where you can control how the student will receive access. At this point, one option available to you is to copy the course link. This is useful if you want to send the access link manually through another communication method, such as a message or another approved channel. If you want Odoo to send the invitation directly, enable the Send Email option. Turning this on allows you to prepare the invitation from within the platform, which can save time and keep everything organized in one place. Next, add the recipients. This is where you enter the student or students you want to invite. Be sure to select the correct recipients so the invitation goes to the right people. After that, add the subject line for the email. Keep the subject clear and simple so the student immediately understands that it is a course access invitation. Once everything looks correct, click on Send. Odoo will then send the invitation email to the selected recipients. Before sending, it's always a good idea to quickly review the details, especially the selected course, the recipients, and the subject line. A small check at the end can help prevent confusion and make sure students receive the right invitation the first time. And that's it. That's how to invite a student to log into a course on Odoo using the built-in invite feature. Once sent, the student can use the invitation to access the course you selected.